Multiply 45 by 0.055 using long multiplication. For now, ignore the decimal points. Start with the rightmost digit of the bottom factor, 5. 5 times 5 is 25. Put 5 in this column and carry 2. 5 times 4 plus the carried 2 is 22. The first partial product is 225. Now use the next digit to the left, 5. Start one place to the left. 5 times 5 is 25. Put 5 in this column and carry 2. 5 times 4 plus the carried 2 is 22. The second partial product is 2,250. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 5 plus 0 is 5. In the tens column, 2 plus 5 is 7. In the hundreds column, 2 plus 2 is 4. In the thousands column, bring down 2. The product of the whole numbers is 2,475. Count the highlighted digits after each decimal point. The factors have 3 decimal places altogether, so the product needs 3 decimal places. Place the decimal point 3 places from the right. 2,475 becomes 2.475. So 45 times 0.055 is 2.475.